Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you and explain you how you can withdraw your USDT from Binance to your bank account. I'll show you the full process step by step. So follow this video tutorial. Okay, first of all, log into your Binance account, and once you will log into your account, make sure that most likely you will have your USDT on your fiat spot account, guys. So you need to transfer your USDT to funding wallet, guys. To do it, first of all, you need to hover this wallet icon on the right side of the page and go to the spot. Right here you will find this transfer button. You need to click it, and on the top you need to select. So if you have got your USDT on your fiat and spot wallet, guys, you need to select fiat and spot on the top, and bottom you need to select the funding. So you need to send your USDT to the funding wallet, and downside here you need to select USDT. Here you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to send to your funding address, guys. So you need to select the amount of USDT you're going to send to your bank account, and then you need to click the confirm button right here. So once you will transfer your USDT to the funding address, then you can go to the trade, go to the P2P, and here you need to select sell. Here you need to select sell because we are selling our USDT and we need to receive USD on our bank account. So you need to select the currency. There are a lot of currencies, so most likely you need to select USD. You need to select the payment methods right here because there are a lot of payment methods. So you need to select your bank. I live in Georgia, and here are some Georgian banks. So I can select any of these banks to transfer my USDT to these banks. So you need to select your bank. There are a lot of banks, guys. So when you find your bank, you need to click on it. So for example, this is my local bank, TBC Bank, and here are a lot of exchangers who are exchanging USDT to USD. They have got different prices, different limits. So you can see there are a lot of exchangers. So you need to find the good ones, for example, with 100% positive feedback. You should look the feedbacks. So when you find here are some order numbers. So I think that this guy is quite normal. So if you select the person, then you need to click sell USDT right here, and before you will enter the amount of USDT, you need to set your payment method right here. You need to click this. You need to so here will be your bank. So you need to click this plus icon, and you need to enter the information of your bank account right here. So you need to connect your bank account and then click the confirm button. So once you will set your payment method, then you need to enter the amount of USDT you are going to send to your bank account. For example, guys, 100 USDT, and for 100 USDT I will receive $100.50 on my bank account, guys. But these exchanges have got different selling limits, so you need to find the seller who has got some good limits, guys, because this guy wants minimum $1,000. That's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.